starts, a rhythm rising from the dark. No language needed, no disguise. It speaks in colors, not in lies. From every corner of the earth, 1,000 stories find their words. And when the silence fades away, we feel the same, we all relate. We are one sound, one melody, different voices, same harmony. Through every high and every low, it's where we meet, it's what we know. No walls, no borders in the air, just something real that we all share. We are one sound, can't you see? Music makes us free. A broken heart, a hopeful dream. A song can say what words can't mean. It lifts you up when you fall down, turns every tear to something loud. Across the oceans, through the night, a simple chord can spark a light. No matter where or who you are, it finds your soul, it leaves a mark. We are one sound, one melody, different voices, same harmony. Through every high and every low, it's where we meet, it's what we know. No walls, no borders in the air, just something real that we all share. We are one sound, can't you see? Music makes us free. Feel the rhythm in your veins, dancing through the joy and pain. Every note a hand to hold, a universal language told. No need to translate what